नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेज यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों मैं आप लोग को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9 इंग्लिश चैप्टर 6 वेदरिंग द स्टॉर्म इन इस इरसामा पर क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोग को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट हैवोक हैज़ द सुपर साइक्लोन ब्रेकेड इन द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल of Odisha? Answer number 1. The cyclone brought heavy rain and strong winds with it. Due to this, majority of the hours were blown away and only the on with strong cement grief were separate. The land was covered by directly water and could be seen from a distance. A large number of people lots were leaves. The place was filled with floating human bodies and bloated animal carcasses all around. Even the strongest of the stress were not spared from the havoc. Many people lost their close relatives and many children become orphan. Where was acute shortage of food and supplier were nil. Everyone was sad and helpless. Answer number question number 2. How has Prashant, a teenager, been able to help the people of his village? Answer number 2. Prashant was initially very worried on witnessing the destruction caused by after effect of the cyclone. Later he got a grief over himself and helped the people to his village. He decided to take over as the leader of his village. He united a group of young and old people to come together and precise the merchant to give in rice for the people. For the people living in the shelter, he was successful in his task. His next course of action was to organize a term to clean up the shelter and cure the wounds of the people injured because of the cyclone. Prashant also helped the orphaned children together by constructing a polythene shelter for him, while women had the duty to look after them. The men made arrangement of food and other essentials for the shelter. Answer number 3. How have the people of the community helped on another? What role do the women of Kalikuda play during this day? Answer number 3. The people of the community united and helped each other under a young leader, Prashant. Together they persuaded the merchant to give rich for the people in the shelter. They gathered branches from fallen trees and lit a fire on which they cooked rich for everyone to eat. When the military helicopter dropped some food parcels but did not return, they implemented a unique way to communicate with the passing helicopter. Children laid in the sand with the utensil or on their stomachs to indicate they were hungry. The message was prompt and the helicopter made regular round of the shelter, airdropping food and other basic need. Women were given the responsibility to look after the orphans while the men arranged food and materials for the shelter. Question number 4. Why do Prashant and other volunteers receives the plane to send up institution for orphans and wisdom? What alternative do they consider? Answer number 4. The plane of setting of institution for orphans and wisdom was resisted because they thought in such instruction the children would not get the necessary love and affection, and the wisdom would suffer from stigma and loneliness. Prashant and his group wanted them to be resettled in their own community to get a homely environment. They also suggested setting up of foster familiar with children's widows and children without a guardian to take care. Question number 5. Do you think Prashant is a good leader? Do you think young people can get together to help people during natural calamities? Answer number 5. Yes, Prashant is a very good leader. At on point he was shocked after the description caused by cyclone, but soon enough he recovered himself and decided to step in as the leader of the village. He carried out his role efficiently and helped the people of his village in every possible manner. Yes, young people with a little help of leader can definitely get together to help people each other during natural calamity, and otherwise they can use their strength to rebuild what is lost. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.